Hello, Ellie.
I am here.
Turn on the lights.
Turned on.
Turn on the yellow light.
The yellow light turned on.
Turn on the blue light.
The blue light turned on.
Turn on the green light.
The green light turned on.
Turn off the lights.
Turned off.
Turn on the light in the left room.
Turned on.
Turn on the light in the right room.
Turned on.
Turn on the light in the living room.
Turned on.
Open the garage door.
Okay.
Close the garage door.
Okay.
Open the windows.
Okay.
Close the windows.
Okay.
Close the door.
Okay.
Open the door.
Okay.
Close the door.
Okay.
Play the song.
Okay.
Play the next song.
Play the next song.
Stop play.
Stopped.
Turn on the air conditioner.
Turned on.
Turn off the air conditioner.
Turned off.
Turn on the humidifier.
Turned on.
Turn off the humidifier.
Turned off.
Routine testing.
Be aware of the combustible gas leaks. Be aware of the combustible gas leaks. Earthquake warning. Earthquake warning. Earthquake warning. Earthquake warning.
Vehicle license plate recognition.
Is D9N3A5. Welcome home, my host.
Close the garage door.
Okay.
Vehicle license plate recognition.
UBQW001. Welcome home, my hostess. Welcome home, my host.
Display meteorological data. Current temperature.
The current temperature is 26.00 degrees Celsius.
Current humidity.
The current humidity is 49%.
Current air pressure.
The current air pressure is 101,042.70 pascals.
Air quality.
The current PM2.5 is 14.00 and PM10 is 19.00. The air quality is excellent.